I am one of the dance teachers at Kala Mandapam. We're going to start our today's performance with a prayer song by our wonderful, amazing orchestra.
Girijarnavapurnendum Samanvitam Kalanidhim Apasa Vignathamishram Surpakarnam Upasmahe
Kirgatam tatam takatam tatam Dream tadim takadim tadim Tam tatam takatam tatam Dream tadim takadim tadim Dum 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 dim 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 Takita takata takita takata takita digina tum tam Digita digina tum tam Digita digina tum tam
Vani paraku girvani paraku Vina vimohana vani paraku girvani paraku Vina vimohana vani Sangita Sahitya Natyadi Pujita Jagati Palinchedi Janani Paraku Vani Paraku Girvani Paraku Vina Vimohana Vani Paraku Vani Paraku Girvani Paraku Vina Vimohana Vani Paraku Kadamulano levalinchi ma padamulalo ninadinchi mamudaya chudumu vani mamudari tarachumu vani girvani aliveni mruduvani adurani
Tadittatam tadittatam dinakradam dinakradin dinakradin.
Thank you for this beautiful song. On orchestra, we have on violin, Subhash Vinjamuri Garu. Nattu Angam, we have Kamalakiran Vinjamuri. Mridangam, we have Arjun Ramachandran. And Gatam, we have Soumya Narayanan. And female vocalist, Rupa Sri. Male vocalist, Sasanka. And the second violin, Padmini. And for keyboard, we have Ramakrishna. Wishing you guys all the very best for today's program. Before we start our first dance, I would like to briefly talk about our star of the show, Shrutika. Give her a big round of applause. Shrutika fell in love with dance when she was 3 years old after watching the movie Swarna Kamalam. Seeing her interest in dance, her parents searched around and found Kala Mandapam and enrolled when she was about 5 years old. Ever since then, as I watched her interest in learning, I can definitely say that the following words that start with the letter D, discipline, dedication, devotion, and dance are her favorite words in the dictionary. I say discipline because she is always on time for classes, rehearsals, and performances, which shows her dedication towards the dance. I say she is dedicated because she would never want to miss class on Sundays. Even though her parents came late from work and tired, in the night she would say, "You have to drop me. I do not want to miss class." I mentioned devotion because the way she listens and follows the teacher's instructions, that shows bhakti towards dance. and she is a humble, sweet young lady with a smile on her face and is always willing to perfect herself to do better. As many of you are aware, Shrutika graduated from high school and is going to Virginia Tech for undergraduate studies. Without further delay, let's begin our show. The first song is going to be Natesha Kautvam. It is a vibrant invocatory piece in the classical dance tradition of Kuchipudi, dedicated to Lord Shiva as Nataraja, the cosmic dancer. This dynamic composition combines rhythmic syllables with expressive movement, creating an atmosphere of devotion and energy on stage. The piece glorifies Lord Shiva, who is worshipped alike by sages, celestial beings, and devotees across the universe. Through intricate choreography and powerful rhythmic patterns, the dancer portrays the iconic imagery of Nataraja, holding the trident and damaru adorned with sun and moon, draped in tiger skin, and riding the sacred bull Nandi. Natesha Kautvam serves as both an offering of devotion and a celebration of the eternal rhythm of creation and destruction embodied by Lord Shiva. Ragam Hamsadvani Adi Talam, composed by Bharatam Kasinada Kavi, choreographed by Padma Bhushan Dr. Vempati Chinnasatyam Garu.
Kita kita takatam, kita kita takatai, kita kita takadik, kita takatum, kita takatam tam, kita kita takadik, kita takatum, kita takatai tai, kita takatam tam tam, kita takatai tai tai, kita takatam tam tam, kita takatai tai tai, kita takat, kita takat, kita takat, kita takatak, kita takadik, kita takatum, kita takanam, kita takatak, kita dik, kita tum, kita nam, kita tam. Kita takat, 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 kita dik, kita tum, kita nam, kita tam. Kita takat, kita takat, kita takat, tadingin natum takat, tadingin natum takat, diku tadingin natum takat, kita takat, kita takat, kita takat, tadingin natum takat, tadingin natum takat, diku tadingin natum takat, kita takat, kita takat, kita takat, tadingin natum takat, tadingin natum takat, tadingin natum takat, diku tadingin natum takat, diku tadingin natum. Kita dik kita tam kita takatam tat 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 kita takadik kita takatam dari gambara kita takadik ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರ
ಚರ್ಮಧರ
ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ
ತಾಂಡರಿಗಂಬರ
ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ
ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರ ಚರ್ಮಧರ
ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ
ತಾಂಡರಿಗಂಬರ
ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ
ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರ ಚರ್ಮಧರ
ತರಿ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತತಜಂ ತತಜಂ ತಜಂ
ನಂಕಿಟ ಕಿಟತಕ ನಂಕಿಟ ಕಿಟತಕ ದೇಶೋಲ್ಲದರ ನಂಕಿಟ ಕಿಟತಕ ನಂಕಿಟ ಕಿಟತಕ ತ್ರಿನೇತ್ರ ಶಂಕರ ನಂಕಿಟ ಕಿಟತಕ ನಂಕಿಟ ಕಿಟತಕ ದೇಶೋಲ್ಲದರ ನಂಕಿಟ ಕಿಟತಕ ನಂಕಿಟ ಕಿಟತಕ ತ್ರಿನೇತ್ರ ಶಂಕರ ನಂದಿ ವಾಹನ ನಾದ ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರಿಯ ನಂದಿ ವಾಹನ ನಾದ ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರಿಯ
ತಕುಂದರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕುಂದರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕುಂದರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತತಜಂ ತಜಂ
ಜಯ 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 ಶಶಿರ ವಿಭೂಷಣ ರೂಪ ಭಯಂಕರ ಡಮರುಕ ಹಸ್ತ ಜಯ 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 ಶಶಿರ ವಿಭೂಷಣ ರೂಪ ಭಯಂಕರ ಡಮರುಕ ಹಸ್ತ ತೃತೀಯ ಸಹಸ್ರ ದೀಕ್ಷಿತ ನಾದ ನಟೇಶ ಗೌತಮೇ ಜಯ 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 ಶಶಿರ ವಿಭೂಷಣ ರೂಪ ಭಯಂಕರ ಡಮರುಕ ಹಸ್ತ ತೃತೀಯ ಸಹಸ್ರ ದೀಕ್ಷಿತ ನಾದ ನಟೇಶ ಗೌತಮೇ
ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತುಂ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ನಂ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ್ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತುಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ನಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಡಿ ಕುತಡಿ ಕುತಾಂ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಡಿ ಕುತಡಿ ಕುತೈ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ದಿಗ್ಗಿ ತೊಂಗ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ದಿಗ್ಗಿ ತೊಂಗ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತೊಂಗ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತೊಂಗ ತಾ ಕುಡಿ ಕುತ ಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೊಂ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ಜೇಣ ನಂ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ ನಂದೆ ತಾಂ ತಾ ಕುಡಿ ಕುತ ಗಿಣ್ಣ ತ್ರಯಂ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ಜೇಣ ನಂ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತದ್ದೆ ತಾಂ ತಾ ಕುಡಿ ಕುತ ಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೊಂ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ಜೇಣಂ ನಂ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ ದಿದ್ದೆ ತಾಂ ನಂ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತದ್ದೆ ತಾಂ ನಂ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತದ್ದೆ ತದನ ಧನ ತಜನ ಧನ ತಜನ ತದನ ಧನ ತಜನ ಧನ ತಜನು ತದನ ಧನ ತಜನ ಧನ ತಜನು ತದನ ಧನ ತಜನು ಜನು ತಜನು ತದನ ಧನ ತಜನು ಜನು ತಜನು ತರಿಕಿಟ ತಕ 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 ತರಿಕಿಟ ತಕ